Okay, so the objective for this problem is to create a common denominator. That way you can remove the issue of plugging in a 2. So the first thing we're going to do is recognize that we have two fractions up here in the numerator and that we want those to merge. And so we learned back in elementary school that we can combine fractions if they have a common denominator. This first fraction has x plus 2, and the second one has 4. So what we're going to do is multiply the first fraction by 4, and we're going to multiply the second fraction by x plus 2. And in doing so, we're keeping the equivalency of the fraction, but we're creating a common denominator. This then allows us to merge the two fractions. So we get 4 over 4 times x plus 2 minus 1 times x plus 2 over 4 times x plus 2 all over x minus 2. Then we get the limit as x approaches 2, and because they have a common denominator, we can join them. And we have 4 minus 1 times x plus 2 over 4 times x plus 2 over x minus 2. And then we're going to distribute the negative. So that leaves us with the limit as x approaches 2 of 4 minus x minus 2 over 4 times x plus 2 all over x minus 2. Simplifying the numerator right here on top is going to give us the limit as x approaches 2 of 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's negative x plus 2 over 4 times x plus 2 over x minus 2. Note at this point nothing can cancel, so what we have to recognize is that in the numerator up there, if I factor out a negative from the x and from the 2, that it can be written in this form, which is nice. Note these two expressions are the same, that the x minus 2's then cancel, leaving me with the limit as x approaches 2 of negative 1 over 4 times x plus 2. And at this point, I can evaluate my limit. So I get negative 1 over 4 times 2 plus 2, which is negative 1 over 4 times 4 is negative 1 over 16. That's pretty much it.